This is our other taste tester, Layla Bell. Don't let her eat that. She will eat the whole thing. That's not good for you. Hi everybody, welcome back to Cinderella's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making banana bread. I happen to have a couple of bananas that were kind of going a little south on me, so anytime you get your bananas and they get a little overripe, that's the perfect time to make banana bread. They're not real tasty to eat just like this, I don't think, but in banana bread, they're delicious. And the recipe that I'm going to be using today is my grandmother's cookbook, in the basic classic Better Homes and Garden Cookbook. So first thing we want to do is we want to put in the shortening, and I'll link the recipe below too, or they may have it on their, if they have a website, they may have it on there, but I will link the recipe below. So our shortening, then we're going to add our sugar. Pop this on. Sorry, it's going to get a little noisy here in a minute. You just want to mix it together, get it all incorporated. And then we're going to add our eggs one at a time. Okay, that's good. Now we're just going to add one egg. And if you want, you can crack the egg into a bowl and then pour it into your mixer, just in case you get a shell in there. It would be easier to get it out than digging through the batter. All right. That one looks good. Egg number 2. Alright, I'm just going to scrape down a little. And we already have our oven on 350 degrees. One more time. Okay, so now we're going to add our flour. All that in there. Our flour and our salt, baking soda, and baking powder. All in there. All right, mix that up. All right, and now we will add our 1 cup of mashed bananas. All right, and then half a cup salad mix. I don't know how this is going to do, but we'll see. That's kind of the fun of baking. Like, sometimes you have to improvise and just deal with what you got, because I can't be going to the store every day getting my things. Okay. I didn't anticipate my thing getting... There we go. All right, and then we're just going to put half a cup of this in and just kind of let it fold in. You don't want to overmix it. Okay, looks good. And then we're using a 9x5 loaf pan, just a basic loaf pan. Let me spray my pan. Okay. then we're going to put in our banana bread mix. And this is super simple to make. It's really good. Sometimes we've also added like pineapple to it, and that's really good. Almost like a hummingbird cake, kind of. All right, let's put this in here. All right, and our oven is ready, so we're just going to pop this in the oven, and it says to bake it at 350 for 45 to 50 minutes, so almost an hour. Smooth this out. All right, and we will get this in the oven, and I'll see you in about an hour. Okay, we are back. Our banana bread is done. And it's still warm, but I'm just cooling it here on this drying rack. And then I had a little bit of buttercream frosting left over from a cake I did the other day. So I thought I would just put, while it's still warm, just kind of put a little bit on here. Just kind of spread it around a little. Sometimes we use like a royal icing. And while it's warm, it'll kind of melt all over. But I figured I had buttercream, better use it. All right, and then just topping it off. And then it's still warm, so it will probably melt just a little bit on here. Some more. And then I'm going to let it completely cool before I cut it up. All right, I'm here with my official taste testers. Our banana bread is cooled off, and you can see all the cranberries and the walnuts in there. So Cody is going to be the official taste tester. You're going to tell me if you like it with the cranberries in it.
I'll be the judge.
The judge. It's a little bit warm, but it's mostly cooled off.
Ooh. That's pretty good.
You like it?
I like the frosting.
The frosting on there?
Mm-hmm.
There's some leftover buttercream from the cake I did.
That's very good.
You like the cranberries in it? So it's official. I got thumbs up. It's good. So let me know if you make it. Go ahead. Try. You never know. It could be delicious. Anyway, hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time in Cinderella's Kitchen.